Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or remove lead close action from power options on Windows 11. For your information, when you click on the start button and type here edit power plan and then click on this one edit power plan, then click this one link change advanced power settings, then power options window appears. Here after sleep you should see power lead option that is missing, and in case you want to remove purposely from here, then this gear up windows will help you. So all you need to copy and paste this one command. There are two commands, one will remove and one will add. For that, click on this one start button and type here cmd, then right click on this one command prompt entry, select run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click yes. In command prompt window, all you need to copy and paste this one path to enable this one settings. In power options, just copy and paste and then press enter on the keyboard. Next time when you will open power options, then you should see here this one power buttons and lead. Under that you will see lead close action, and in case you want to remove this one option from your Windows 11 PC, just copy and paste this one last command in the command prompt and press enter on the keyboard. And when you will open power options, you will see this option is missing from my Windows 11 PC. Like this, you can add or remove lead options on power options on Windows 11. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.